only thing that touches the salt, if we can just make that be the cart, that's ideal. So at about 8:12, it'll go right over that mountain. If we need to later on, we can wrap the lights back around so it sets right behind the group center, but right now we'll keep it off to the side just to add a little bit of shape on one side of the group light. And then we'll put 2 D2 lights, probably full power, one on each side, just raking across just to keep the texture of the group. So normally we would use like the B1Xs or the B10 pluses out here on location, but because the sun's so bright and we're at the Salt Flats and everything's really bright, we're hoping the D2s will overpower the sun being plugged in. We brought 4 just in case if we need to double them up, but we're gonna try just 2 full power and see how they do out here. Okay, back row, guys. Scoot over in the window, in your window. 1, 2, 3. Big smiles. 2, 3. As the sun goes down, hopefully the wind will also go down. And we'll be doing a lot more stuff, so don't worry too much about it now. We're gonna have to do this. I don't want to disconnect from the iPad. Don't ever do this to your cameras.
Awesome! That shadow is so cool!
1, 2, 3. So now with the smaller groups, just put on the 70 to 200, just gonna compress it a little bit more.
You guys, this is the coolest thing ever!
Ready, 1, 2. I'm gonna have BYU run across first, and they're gonna run through the sunset, and then I'm gonna have Cougars run across. I just kind of want to get a more tight shot of just the BYU and the silhouette of those guys. What's his background? Clear? Aren't easy to use.
All right, and that's a wrap. Here we go. I don't know what I'm saying. Dehydrated and delusional. This is where you like put out a lawn chair and you just hang out.